Hello, people. No, I'm just so excited because I have to say that yesterday I tried to do 45 times Surya Namaskar, and uh, and it was just there's this whole series of things I do, like write in a diary and this visualization exercises, and then every day, no matter what, I watch one video on eye healing, on eye health, eye foods, food for the eyes, anything. One on a new recipe, and one on how to palmistry, how. So that also I did, and it was very nice. So what I've realized after reading the book Atomic Habits, now I want to, like, there are certain habits that can transform my life, so I want to do it every day. And of what I've understood is, never feel bad that you're not doing something perfectly, or certain days you may not be able to do it. That always happens, right? But that's what is life, that's so special about life. No 2 days are the same, but the important thing is to do it in whatever form, whatever way that you understand. You should do it. I think that makes a big difference. So this is something I had to make, and I have to take a call now. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.